Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I saw a video that day. It said that Marvel will make a sequel of Doctor Strange and it may introduce Ghost Rider in it. It's not confirmed who will play the role of Ghost Rider. There were some rumors that Keanu Reeves may be the one. I think that would be awesome. Keanu Reeves himself is a bike enthusiast and also makes the character of Jhonny Blaze. And I'm a big fan of Keanu, so I thought I'll draw Keanu as a Ghost Rider. Let me know what you think about it. And now on to the video. So I'm done with the outline and I think it looks good. Now on to the coloring part. It's time to tape down the drawing, but first sticking some cloth fiber to reduce the stickiness so that the paper won't tear while peeling off in the end.
to be asleep, need to feel a dream, holding on to reach. You started out to face it, my heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head, we fell into my small bed. You started out to face it, my heart went off like crazy. I felt my breath is taken, we were about to make it. We were about to make it, we were about to make it. We were about to make it, we were about to make it, to make it, to make it, to make
Hey, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please check out my other videos too, you may also like it. Then subscribe to my channel and turn on that post notification bell so that you'll get updated when I post my new video. Till then, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.